Hi, I'm Zoe. I'm from Sydney, Australia, and I'm doing the Ashtanga Vinyasa 200-hour course. I think the most challenging aspect of it is finding sort of that voice and the confidence to really connect and speak in front of other people. And I think that in this course, we've done so much of it already, speaking in front of people and finding our personal voice, and it's been really helpful to have everyone around us being really supportive. The thing I miss most about the training is definitely going to be the environment, obviously, and the people as well, being around people that are so like-minded as well. This training has made me really expand my vision and sort of, I always knew the philosophy behind yoga, but it's really been a deep dive into it, and sort of you don't realize how many aspects connect to it, the mind-body connection that yoga has, and how it's way past just an asana practice. My experience with the teachers at Sampoorna has been really good. They have made the environment really easy to feel confident enough to teach and speak in front of people, and I think that their energy is transferred to everyone. They've sort of seeing their confidence in teaching has boosted my confidence in being able to teach and speak to people. I would say that it's definitely the place to do it if you are going to do it. I think you probably won't get a better experience anywhere else in terms of just the energy that everyone brings and the way that it's just the best environment to really connect with people, connect with yourself, and figure out, find your voice as a teacher.